This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee juice, easy method. Brew a strong pot of coffee and let it cool to room temperature. Then combine equal parts coffee and your favorite fruit juice. Add ice, taste, and sweeten with simple syrup if desired. Stir gently, pour into a tall glass, and garnish with a slice of orange or a sprig of mint for a bright, refreshing finish. Start by selecting a bold coffee roast and a complementary fruit juice like orange, apple, or grape. Measure equal parts coffee and juice, plus ice and optional sweetener such as simple syrup or honey. Use a pitcher to mix and a fine strainer if needed to remove grounds. Taste and adjust ratios, then chill before serving over ice to keep the drink bright and balanced. Serve immediately for best texture and aroma. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free timers, perfect for busy mornings. I link Echo Dot in description along with other deals, so check there for details. It also responds to voice, so you can set a coffee timer without touching a button. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by brewing a strong pot of coffee and letting it cool completely to avoid watering down the drink. In a pitcher, combine equal parts cooled coffee and your chosen fruit juice, then add ice and stir gently. Taste and adjust sweetness with simple syrup or honey to preference. Strain into glasses filled with fresh ice and garnish with citrus or mint before serving. This method keeps flavor bright and makes a refreshing beverage for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.